Open the packaging and remove the vehicle and accessory box. Open the accessory box. There are pedals inside. Seat tube tail light. Toolkit. Vehicle user manual. Charger. Remove all protective foam paper. Remove the front wheel protection and cover. Quick release lever. Install the seat tube. When fork direction is correct, if it is found that the direction of the stem is opposite, loosen the stem screw. Fix the fork and rotate the stem forward. Tighten the stem screws. Loosen the screws and remove the end cover. Install handlebar. Pay attention to aligning the logo in the middle. Install the end cover and tighten the screws. Adjusting the instrument position. Tighten the screws. Remove the front fork protection strip. Align the front fork with the hub. Install the quick release screw. Remove the screw that comes with the toolkit. Tighten the screws. Find the left L and right signs on the foot pedal. Install both foot pedals. Installation completed.